Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix this non-genuine Adobe app has been disabled. Now, to fix this issue, what do? 1. Check app authenticity. Ensure you are using a genuine Adobe app from the official Adobe website or authorized app store. 2. Update the Adobe app to the latest version. 3. Sign in with your Adobe ID to verify the app's legitimacy. 4. Reset Adobe app. Try resetting the Adobe app, or if you cannot reset it, reinstall it. It's as simple as that. Now, let me give you some additional tips. You say, first of all, always purchase from authorized sources. Ensure you've purchased the Adobe app or subscription from authorized sources. Then check for pirated software. If you're using a pirated version, consider purchasing a legitimate copy. Then you can reach out to Adobe support team for further assistance. If issue persists, provide more details about the specific Adobe app and your situation to Adobe customer support. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks. See you later.